So now let's see how we can add and manage multiple users inside of Google Chrome. So here you can see that I'm in Google Chrome, and if I were to go over here on to the top right, you can see that there's this icon. If I were to click on it, I'm the only user right here. On the bottom hand side, you can see that there's something called person 2. If I were to click on it, this is a different user. So this user has its own history, like details and so forth, say passwords. So this is another user who is using Google Chrome. So this is different than the TutorTube user, as the links, as you can see, and the bookmarks are different for this user compared to this one. You can also add more users by clicking on this icon, and you can sign in from this user account as well onto Google account. So you can maintain more than one Google account as well. By clicking on turn on sync, you can go around and then sign in for this Google account as well. But I'm just going to skip that and click on add. And once I do that, you can see that I can add in more users. Let's say, for example, I'm going to type in user2 and press add. And what happens is that new user has been added. And now if I were to click on it, then you can see that this is another user right here. So let me just skip everything right here. No thanks. And another user has been added right here. I can add in more user right here. So let's go around into user 3, just like this. And I'm going to click on add, and there's another user. So I can get started. I'm just going to skip this out right here. No thanks. And there you go, there's another user. So here you can see that this is one user. There are 4 another users over here. If I were to click on this setting icon, you can see that I have an option to remove out users as well. So I don't want to remove this. Let's say I want to go around, remove this person. I can remove this person. I can remove this person right here and remove this one out as well. And now multiple users have been removed out, and I'm the only one here. So if I were to click on it, there are no other users. Let's say if there's a guest who is visiting something and so forth, then what they can do is they can use the guest user. So I'm just going to go around and then go around into this option right here. I'm going to go to guest, and here it says you're browsing as guest, and page view on this window won't appear in browser history and won't leave other traces like cookies on the computer after you close all the guest window. Any files you download will be preserved, however. So the guest can surf the internet. So this is kind of like incognito, but the guests can use this if they are temporarily using the computer. So it is not very secure as the incognito, but it supports a level of privacy on its own. So you can also go around and go to settings right here, and you can see that it is quite limited compared to the user accounts. And that is how you can add and manage multiple users inside of Google Chrome. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.